The UAG civilian case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a standout option for those seeking a blend of rugged protection and modern design. UAG's signature Hypercush impact protection technology is at the heart of this case, engineered to disperse and dampen shock away from the phone upon impact. This ensures your device remains safe even after serious drops and bumps. The case's triple-shot overmold construction combines a lightweight PC armor shell with a hex cushion shock-absorbing soft core, offering both durability and a sleek, refined aesthetic. One of the standout features of the civilian case is its compatibility with magnetic charging, including MagSafe and MagSafe accessories. The powerful built-in magnet module ensures a seamless attachment experience, making it easy to use with most third-party wireless chargers and Samsung Pay. This adds a layer of convenience for users who rely on wireless charging or magnetic accessories. The case also boasts enhanced functionality with an anti-slip traction grip around the perimeter, ensuring secure handling. Raised edges protect both the screen and camera lens from scratches, while oversized tactile buttons provide a crisp, responsive feel. Additional features like integrated lanyard anchor points and precise cutouts for the S Pen further enhance its practicality. For those who demand the utmost in durability, the UAG civilian case is military-grade drop-tested, meeting 3 times military drop test standards, MILSTD 810G 516.6, and offering 20-foot drop protection. While it's slightly bulkier than some other options, the added protection and functionality make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to safeguard their Galaxy S25 Ultra in style.